Hi, this is Rachel Wall, founder and CEO of Inspired Hygiene, and I wanted to take just a couple minutes to give you kind of a behind the scenes look on how a team achieves such incredible growth within their hygiene department. So, with many of our clients, we have these case study reports, as you can see right here, that we're always happy to share. We've got them for single location practices, group practices, multi-doctor practices, and we're always happy to share those that we have. So this is a fantastic team in the Midwest, and we became acquainted with this team because they had done some work with one of our colleagues, Judy K. Mazoff, who is an incredible culture coach. So one of the great things about this team and that they had going for them is they were coming in with a really strong culture. Right, the leaders knew what they needed to do in leading the team in a positive way towards growth. And the team members were ready to take action and receive the training and coaching that we had to provide. I love the quote here that the doctor gave was that they navigated through their growth with confidence because they had a guide, right? They had someone that had seen this being done in practices before, seen what some of their obstacles were, and also what their strengths were, and really how to build on those. So, in order to create this incredible growth that you see highlighted here, there were a few things that really they focused on. They really elevated the consistency of the diagnostics and the communication and the systems that the hygienists were utilizing to really recommend that best care for the patient across all of their locations. They really clearly defined their leadership positions, and what that resulted in is a lead hygienist emerging and Inspired Hygiene being able to continue to support that lead hygienist as she stepped into that role. They increased the hygiene team's confidence in their role as part of the co-diagnosis team, so really supporting the doctors in helping to pre-educate patients for the treatment that was in their best interest, and then really seamlessly bringing in new team members because when Inspired Hygiene works with teams, and you can see the incredible results here, we're not only training the team members, we're helping them establish very clear protocols for their organization because team members sometimes leave, right? And new team members come in. We're seeing some of that right now in a lot of our client practices. And the great thing is that when they have that really solid standard of care, when they have some processes in place, they can share that with new team members as they grow into their practice. Now, some of the results that are not highlighted here are they actually added locations. I mean, certainly that is due to the leadership of and the vision of the leadership team. They did call in Inspired Hygiene to continue working with them and help calibrate those practices as well. They developed that lead hygienist, as I mentioned. They were able to incorporate adjunctive therapies and really support the growth of this organization with a strong perio philosophy and systems. And with this initial coaching engagement here, you can see they were able to get a 14x return on their investment in coaching. So really excited and honored to be able to work with this team. We'd love to help you see what opportunity you might have in your hygiene department. Please, you can scan the QR code below or email us at clients@inspiredhygiene.com. And we would love to have just a conversation with you to see where we may be able to help you unlock some of your opportunities in hygiene.